Guys, good morning. I hope you're doing well. I'm here at the patio. The patio. The place is called the patio. My name is Rita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, this is a vlog. I live in Kampala, Uganda. I'm always used to doing the introductions, but anyway, I live in Kampala, Uganda, and I do travel and lifestyle vlogs. So I'm here at the patio. We are supposed to have a breakfast meeting with my friend. I've never been here. It's my first time, so I'm going to just turn the camera around so that you can see the place. It really looks nice and cozy and small. And this is my view. It's like a proper, nice, quiet cafe. And we're supposed to be here having breakfast. The lady already gave me the menu, so I'm just going to be looking through the menu as I wait for my donor to come. But it's nice. They have even an outside. So if you're ever in Kampala, Uganda, you can always stop by. I will give you a review of the food after. I will give you a review at the end how the breakfast is. But so far so good. The staff is very welcoming, and yeah, the lady was really nice, the one who gave me the menu. So I hope the food is as nice as the lady. So basically that is it. There's an outside and an inside. I really love the art pieces by the wall. Then there's that green. I love that green. It's giving coffee shop vibes. Okay. Hi, my daughter. Do you want to make a comeback, baby? The way you're all rushy. Yeah, she told me that they have. Yes, we're going to appear. Though, like, it will be with music all over, because I don't want our conversations to be tough. So, she told me they have band on Saturday. I had no idea. Should make her come back properly. See, the light is not being nice on you. See what I can't believe my. So my friend just left because she had to go to work. Just finished having the breakfast. So this is going to be like the review of the PATIO breakfast. I had the English breakfast. I wanted to try the waffles, but then it had like fried chicken strips, so I didn't want anything fried, so I decided to go with the English breakfast. But it was really nice. I think I would give it like a 7 out of 10. I liked the eggs the most, because I like scrambled eggs, so the scrambled eggs were really like fluffy and all that. So I liked the scrambled eggs, the sausages, and the juice. The juice was the best, and the fruits were fresh. And of course, a good breakfast always has to have like fresh fruits. So it was really nice, like you saw. So I think I'd give it like a good 7 out of 10. Price range is 34,000 shillings. So really, their breakfast combos are like 30 to 34,000 shillings. It comes with juice of your choice and tea. But I like the presentation of their food. I love that the juice is like in a proper glass with a nice straw. The coffee comes, it's not just a cup, but like they bring it in, because I ordered for African tea. So they bring it like the presentation, and sometimes like food at a restaurant. Me, I love presentation. Like I love when my food looks good. So it's the perfect ambience for a breakfast. And then the lady also told me that they have live band on Saturdays, Abeeka band, so you can check them out. I've done a video on Abeeka band before. Highly recommend them. Sorry about the angle, but we shall work with it. So yeah, basically that was my review. Had a good time here. Bye. So also like the breakfast is a lot. So I'm just now waiting for the lady to bring it because I'm packing some of it. I'm taking it home. Then yeah, I'm planning to see where the day takes me. I wanted to do my nails, so I'm thinking that maybe I should go do my nails at Louis' Salon. There was a nail place that I saw that has an offer. I want to be going to my nail guy that I went to in the last video. I want to try out this offer. I think Louis' Salon has like an offer for June for girl nails at 10,000 Ghana shillings. So I want to try them out. So I'm still undecided. Do I do my nails or do I wait? So it will depend on what I decide. So basically that is it. She just brought my breakfast. It's really like full. I couldn't finish it because it was a lot. So I'm just going to take this and I'll have it at home. So basically now I'm leaving the restaurant to see what the day has ahead for me. So what's the offer like?
Yeah, gel is 20, but in this month it's 10. Artificials are also 10.
So like
yo sabla, sile muchunga, ayo pamela. Ondalo la lava, canola. Baby girl, I know tell me say from my yard. Say to someone who's up, where motoka. Me a real man, no handicap. And they tough on you, top back with on. Can't tell me what you're drinking, what up the world, back with on. Make it party like a weekend, it's a weekend, back with on. Can't tell me what you're drinking, what up, back with on. Make it party like a weekend, it's a weekend. You look like a ananas.